Hello everyone, Simon here from creativetrading.system.com, making this a small video about gold again. All right, so let's get started. So I received a lot of emails about how I'm using my 1000 minute or 1000 box size chart. And in my last video, I forgot to explain, I think. So that's why maybe, I don't know, but I decided to, just explain a little bit that why I use that as a higher time frame analysis. And I use Renko charts because they don't have wicks or spikes here there, right? So that basically damage my analysis. So Renko charts are much easier. So anyway, let me show you. See, this is the gold daily chart here, right? So I made. Let me see if I have it here open, and then I'll show you. Okay, so this is the daily chart. I start, covering the wave 1, 2, 3, and then I had, when it was here, I said it's gonna be a, regular flat correction, expanded flat, and it will probably end somewhere here, and then we start to go to the upside. So what happened to this chart? So this is what happened. It start to go up, then it went up, and then I made this chart, and this is the one that right now you can see here that it is all the way to the upside. Right from there, it went up. Now, when it was here, I had even only yesterday I had five trades. One is missing on the other computer, but this one you can see that this is from 400. This one, this one, this one, this one, right? So big day yesterday in gold. So that's what happened. So it went up, and then I felt that it is probably going to be, correcting itself, right? So when the correction happens, that's why I posted on the Telegram, says the gold may drop from here, right? I posted last night. So, and then since then, it is slowly starting to drop. Now, what I'm doing here, let me show you. This is, I have a short setup now. But based on that, it's supposed to be dropping. So I saw I had this entry first, then it came down and got knocked out at break even. Then I got this one again, and then this one is surviving and going to the downside. Now, where the heck this thing is going? Now, entry is from 200 box size, right? So the next chart that I will show you that I'm watching is this 400 box size, a little bit smaller time frame and compared to 1000. And I'll show you that as well at the in the end, right? So this is where it is going. So if you pull the fib from here to here, this is kind of, what the heck is this? What is, what kind of correction is that? So this is what I'm following. I follow my charts, my own charts I made. I'll get wave harmonic patterns. And then, if I see something cooking just like that, I follow that. So this is at the end of wave 3, then A, B, and C somewhere here, and then it flies again, right? So is that happening here? I don't know yet, but it is right now. It is coming into that area. Now, pull the fib from here to here. This is A, B, slightly above that, so it can be expanded flat, right? You can say it, or regular flat, whatever. And then it's coming down here for C, A, B, C correction. This high is 2450, which is reflecting here. This is 2450, this high. And then the lower high was below this is 2431, right? So these are the two concern area that I have right now, and it is very close to 2450. So I have a short. I may close when it hit here, or may keep it open. Doesn't matter. I already had five big trades going to the upside. A lot of pippy, right? So I will take my chances. But what happened is that after the flat is supposed to be going to the upside. Is it going to the upside? I don't know yet. It might. But my daily chart saying that we should be ending wave 3, this black count, and wave 5, this blue count, 1, 2, 3, A, B, C, 4, and this 5 somewhere here, right? So very much possible that after finishing that flat there, around 2450, we may go good to the upside again, right? Or maybe we will drop all the way here. But this 2450 is also coming exactly 61%. So this is the concern area that it might make the turn, right? Now, how would I know that it is going to make the turn? That's the question. That's it. For that purpose, To find the turning point, I use my 1,000 brick size chart. Let me show you now that why I use that. This is a 1,000 brick size chart. So you see, what it does for me is like, for example, a turning point here. It was turning point. It was like a long setup, right? And as soon as I have a reversal candle, I can go and 200 brick size chart or 150, my bricks, 150 or 200. And I find beautiful entry. This is the first entry, then second, then third, you can continue to go to the upside. Similarly, here, this is what's happening here. Right after this, right here, this is a 200 brick size entry, then this is, and it goes all the way. So this could be the same area again, right? You can see here that how nicely it is coming down. So 2450 is here. If we break below, I will hold my short and then see, I'll take my chances because I'm already way positive. So I don't mind if it goes back and hit my sell at break even. So, like I don't have it into it. But if it posts a reversal candle here at 2450, then by that time, my short over there will be gone, right? Then I will wait for my long setup somewhere here, and then game start to the upside. If not, it's gonna break this and continue to go to the downside. Then the next target would be this. This is a TL, this is a channel, and 2431 is coming right there. So this intersection could be the way, right? Or maybe a little bit below here to this high. So the question is that, are we going to break below 3450 or bounce? So let's see what happens. But so far, so good. It's coming down. I had an idea. But the thing is that, see, if I say that, okay, I think this is going to drop, but I just don't randomly open the trade, right? I wait for my setup. And when the setup comes, only then. So it came down here, then it went up, and that's the setup, right? And I took this one, failed, no problem. But I lost nothing. Break even. Then I took this one. It came very close, but never touched my SL and drop. And it's keep dropping, right? So 2450 is the one to watch. And if we bounce from there, obviously I'm going to lose this, right? Either I will close if I feel like that is bouncing and make some pip, or I'll just let it go, break even and hit, right? Still have 5 pip here, block. And then it will go to the upside here and then give me the long setup either on 150 or 200 box size. And I'll take that. And like I said, again, the game will start to the upside for this target. And of course, the weekly chart is this. You can see that. This is wave 1, 2, and then we are about to finish wave 3 here somewhere. That's how. So let me show you here the calculation here, right? The fib expansion, this, and this, and then what do you see? So you see, 161 usually is the calculation for wave 3. So if this is, this is wave 1, this is wave 2 of wave 5, by the way, right? Wave 5 should be here, where it's going. Now, this is big wave 3, wave A, B, C, wave 4. And wave 5 should be here. And this wave 5 also have, 5 different waves, right? So out of that, I would say that this is 1, 2, and this wave 3, 1.618 of that to that. Then we're probably going to drop for wave 4 and then go up for wave 5 even more. So for now, right now, wave 3 should be ending somewhere here. That's what I think. So that's why I said, well, this is the chart that, we might be able to go a little bit more to the upside here based on that same thing. So it's like wave 1, wave 2, then wave 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 161, and then we drop for wave 4 and go for wave 5. All right. So 1,000 brick size chart helps me getting a longer time setup. This is a long setup. This is a long setup, but it is a longer time. Means from here, this was July 9, and we went all the way here to 2 days. 2 days in a row with maybe 4 or 5 beautiful trades, right? Then again a dip here, 712, and then we went all the way to 717. Right, so see how many days it keep going up, and then giving me entry. You can look at the one, how many entries on this chart here going to the upside. This, you see, this is beautiful. right? So from here, all these, you could have taken this, or anywhere, here, these entries, this one, continue go to the upside. Now it's dropping, and then see what happens. So I'm still in, but 2450 is the one to watch. Keep an eye open here. If you break below, next would be 2431. All right. So this is it for now. If you have not subscribed my YouTube channel, so do so you can get these videos on time. So you can take advantage of that. Okay, and this is it. And my website, you all know, is creativetrading.com. So if you want to get the system, you want to learn how I'm doing it. So the same way I'm doing with Bitcoin right now, right? I have 4 different time frame charts: higher time frame, then middle, then 2 small time frames for entry. Okay, so between those, a beautiful trades coming up. Beautiful. For now, let me show you. Where the heck is that? No, it was here. See, I just had this one. Yes, okay, this again, Bitcoin yesterday. Then this is, these are today. That's what happened today, right? All of these yen trades, big trades to the downside. My robot, the sniper, took all of these. But oh, come on, man, where is it? Okay. So this is the one. See, Bitcoin again, small, going to the downside. The advantage, it's a 13,000 brick size chart. Right? The calculation is completely different. The box sizes are completely different to asset to asset. Right? Forex pairs, they all have the same, but every single other things like oil is different, gold is different, Nasdaq and S&P 500, Bitcoin, they all have different box sizes. Right? I did a lot of research to come up with the good box sizes, so I'm now trading pretty good. All right, so this is it for now. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys, my subscribers, and my webinar at 4. Right now it's 2, so 2 more hours, and I'll see you then. All right, bye for now, and talk to you at 4. Stop recording.